almost there. We left San Pedro 3 a.m. Madilim pa. And now we're climbing Baguio City. About mga 40 minutes sabi ni Google Maps. How about there's Lauren? Say hi, babe. Hi. Show
Hey.
Show the view. We're at Camp 3. Dito kami Lions Head. Gusto ko pakita sa kila Jacob tsaka kay Lauren yung Lions Head para may experience sila. We'll take a photo lang. Si Janine nauna na dito. Umakit siya Wednesday. Today pala is December 6, 2024. So we'll be spending the weekend here. Today is Friday. So dito kami sa Baguio kami for the weekend. Tapos tingnan natin kung ano pwede gawin dito. Lions Head muna kami ngayon. Tapos sundin namin si Janine sa Baguio Country Club. Tapos lipat kami ng, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng hotel na lilipatan namin. Doon kami mag-spend ng weekend. Babe, how do you like the weather? Cold? Kuya, is it cold? Okay, let's take a photo lang at Lions Head. And then we'll check out the vendors here later. Ginagawa nila yung Lions Head eh. Let's check the let's check the stuff here. I'm sorry. Oh kuya, there's the wooden toys na naman. Yan, siyempre, show it what you bought. Take out the plastic. Yan, siyempre bumili siya ng kanyang fedora. You, babe, you wanna get something? Country club na kami. Babe, how do you like the weather in Baguio?
It's nice.
It's nice. Kuya, how do you like the weather? Yan, lamig. What? Pagkakalamig. Yeah. Early kami. I was thinking matagal yung biyahe pero lang 4 hours and 30 minutes nung nakarating kami ng Baguio. Siyempre madaling araw kami umalis eh. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Jake, are you hungry? No? Where is she? Oh, there. Welcome to Baguio. We're riding the taxi. Nag-taxi na lang kami papuntang Burnham Park. Doon lang kami breakfast. Iniwan namin yung kotse sa hotel since late naman yung mamaya pang lunch time yung check-in eh. So iniwan na lang muna namin, taxi na lang kami para hindi rin mahirap maghanap ng park. So Libao Gaming. Ano Jake? Anong kainin mo? Yo. Don't know yet.
Wow. That's your beef and mushroom.
Kuya, how's the breakfast?
Yeah, it was good.
Ikot muna kaming Burnham. Ma-check yung mga bikes dito. Siyempre hindi pa tapos kumain si Lauren.
Do we cross?
We cross. So tayo maghanap ng taxi papuntang Mines View. We go straight here.
Here or over there?
I think there. Punta kaming Mines View since maaga pa naman. Tama din yung sabi ni Janine para mas less yung tao since Friday ngayon. Ikot na kami Mines View kaysa tomorrow na Saturday. Alright. Kaso hindi namin alam kung saan kami sasakay ng taxi. Saan kaya may taxi, ma'am? Doon?
The road.
O, diretso?
May taxi doon, may taxi. Lahat ng dulo, may taxi.
Sige, we walk.
Smells like nilagang mani.
Albay nilagang inihaw na mais mamaya sa Mines View.
You always do.
Yeah. It's a must.
Nasa Mines View pa.
Okay. Ito
What? What? Mermaids?
Mines View na kami. Ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapasok dito for so many years. May entrance fee na din. 10 pesos sa adult, 5 para sa children. Iba na yung itsura niya ko sa yung pagkakatanda ko dito sa Mines View. Ito na yung Mines View na naaalala ko. Let's go sa viewing deck so you would see the view. There. And see if they still can. Look at the view. Yes, we're in Mines View Park. Very nice. We got numbers, mom. Here's the room. Spacious naman siya. Bed 1. Maliit na table. And then bed 2. May lababo dito. And then banyo. Naman. May window pero hindi ko alam kung may view to. Check natin. Parang walang view, parang pader lang. And ayaw din siya magalaw. Mamaya ko lang check. You like the room? Kuya? So who will sleep here? Okay, and this one? Who will sleep there? It's your what? No. Good evening. We have reservation under kay Lem. Lem. Ano, Jake, how was your food?
Yeah, it was good.
Huh?
Yeah, it was good.
Ano, babe? Can you finish it?
No doubt.
No doubt? Let's bring it to chicken na lang. How's the food, ma'am? Second day, punta kami ng Igorot Stone Kingdom. First time namin dito eh. So may entrance fee, bayad muna kami. Tapos ikot kami dito. Malapit lang siya sa Tamawan Village. Galing ni Kuya, makulimlim ha, parang uulan pa eh. Siya lang naka-jacket sa atin. You hold one ticket. Ticket from... Hindi, tagi-tagi tayo para pagpasok. Tagi-tagi sa kabot. Okay.
Hey, good.
Stamp. I don't wanna. Sige, nakatakot nga naman.
Smiley.
Eh!
Last one, last one.
So we are in Session Road, Baguio. Sundays pala yung merong mga street performer dito. So gusto ko lang mabaybay ang Session Road, kung anong itsura niya, kung anong mga meron ditong shops. Tapos late lunch kami. Ano yan? French line. Ano ba yun? How's the... what do you call that? The Igorot Stone Castle.
It's fine.
It's nice naman eh, no?
Yeah, the air is nice.
Other side kami. Pababa naman. Sige. May food ba dyan? There. There's ube, pesto, strawberry, kaning tutong, dark chocolate. What's this supposed to be?
Queso, I think.
Queso. Miss, can we try the ube? Papataste ko lang sa kanya. Ha? Are you sure you like it? So how many? You want the scoop lang? The scoop. 8 ounce. Miss, isang scoop na ube.
Scoop lang.
Scoop.
Where do I put this?
You throw it in the table, sorry. Gusto niya yung ube.
What are the other flavors?
There's pistachio, strawberry, tutong.
Kala ko ano,
So what did you get?
dark chocolate.
Wow.
Pero malambot daw.
Can I taste? You get me lang.
Hindi siya super ano.
Parang icing siya nung cake.
Kaya mo siya. Perfect for me. Parang ano, kumain ako ng chocolate cake ng Contis, yung favorite ko. Pero wala nang cake. Icing lang. Tapos malamig.
Mas malamig. Perfect. Kuya, ang sarap ng food. Balik na kami ng hotel. Kahapon pala, nung nag-Marius kami, sumakay kami ng taxi. 100 meters away lang siya from the hotel pala. So, naglakad na lang kami pa uwi. Tapos nakita namin tong Grumpy Joe's na malapit din. So, for late lunch, lakad na lang kami pabalik ng hotel. How's the lunch, babe?
I'm so full.
What?
I'm so full.
You're so full. Night Market, Baguio. Ngayon lang siguro kami nakapag lumabas ng 9 o'clock ng gabi. Hanggang 2 o'clock daw tonight. Kasi Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Hanggang 2 p.m., 2 a.m. sila. So check natin. Finish na kami sa mga clothes. Sobrang daming tao. Dito kami sa mga food naman.
Marita ho! Sila ba?
Andito daw sila Janine. So, hanapin namin.
Thank you po. Yes, ma'am. Saan niyo, ma'am?
Ayos.
Ilan, ma'am?
60 pesos. Ano? You got the corn also?
They have like meat, pero yung white sauce lang.
So, Kuya got lemonade. And that's the shawarma. I got something bawal. Nakababa na kami ng Baguio. Supposedly dapat magpunta kaming Good Shepherd para bumili ng mga jam, peanut brittle. Kaya lang sarado. Walang parking, hirap pag waiting. So, bumaba na kami. Ngayon lang kami nag-stop over. Mexico, Pampanga. Late lunch na rin. Tapos, diretso na kaming uwi. Siguro I'll end the vlog here na lang. Till the next video. Bye.